Exquisite hairdressing gift box. Hatteker hair trimmer kits contains everything you need. Hair clipper, 6 guides combs and 1 thinning comb, clean brush, USB charge cord and storage bag. Professional blade. Handheld body design with professional ceramic coated cutting blade improve the cutting experience and easy to clean. Fine adjustments. Fine adjustment wheel from 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm. Easy to change the hair cutting length. Different accessories. 7x hair guide combs including 3 mm, 4 to 6 mm, 7 to 9 mm, 10-12 mm, 16-18 mm, 22-24 mm and 1 thinning combs fix any hairstyle. USB chargeable tech, 2 hours charge 90 minutes working time. Plug&play, working well even it is out of power, convenient to take while traveling. Top reviews from the United States. Great price. Awesome quality. Dad has decided to save money and cut out 3 boys' hair himself at home. These clippers are awesome, so high quality, that really help someone that has no idea they're doing give a decent haircut. Exclamation mark. The battery life lasts long enough to cut all 3 kids in one sitting. And they are very quiet. Not to mention beautiful looking. Worth every penny. Highly recommended.